Hey guys, so finally OnePlus seems to be ready to launch its first smartwatch under Nord branding, as the company has started teasing this device. And now tipster Mukul Sharma has revealed the key specifications of the upcoming smartwatch. Additionally, he also shared a schematic of the Nord Watch, giving us an idea how the device will look like. The watch will have a rotating crown on the right side and will come with a rectangular dial. However, according to a previous information, the watch will come with both rectangular and circular dial. The watch will be offered in a 45.2mm size and will have an AMOLED display with 368 by 448 pixel resolution, 60Hz refresh rate and a 500 nits of peak brightness level. The wearable will feature more than 100 fitness modes with women's self-tracking features as well. He also mentioned that the smartwatch will come with up to 10 days of battery life. However, he didn't mention the exact battery size. The watch is also expected to feature an SP2 sensor, an optical heart rate sensor and a sleep tracker. The watch will also come with a companion app that will be called OnePlus N Health app. For connectivity, it will feature Bluetooth 5.2. The watch is likely to be sold exclusively through Amazon India and it may cost between Rs 5,000 to Rs 8,000. It is expected to arrive in black, white and gold color options. So that is all for this video, and what do you guys think about this? Do let me know in the comment section down below, and if you somehow like this video, a sub to the channel will definitely make my day. Thank you for watching. I'll catch you guys tomorrow in a new one. Peace out.